Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, it is raining outside. It's yucky, it's mucky. We don't have a lot to do, so we're just gonna spend the day cleaning. I don't actually have too much. It's mostly just like mess from this morning, which my house can get pretty messy, so yeah. I mean, there's definitely still some stuff to do today for sure. So we're just gonna have a nice, relaxing, rainy day clean with me, and I'm gonna take you around the house and show you what I wanna get done in today's video. So entering my kitchen, we see Holden's tracks here that just need to be put away. I've got some food that needs to go away, and just like basically some dishes from this morning. I also have some dishes from last night that did not finish in the, that did not fit, oh my goodness, in the dishwasher. So that's got to go in there and just kind of tidy that all up. I would like to do the floors today as well because it's been a while since I did them. I basically just have like random things that we need to put away. My cat tower broke, so we got to figure out something with that. Just random things that need to be put away. And then also, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah, there's just like random things on the floor, and you can kind of see like little footprints all over the place. It's definitely time to do the floors. Okay, and then in the living room, you say hi? Hi. In the living room, we've got toys that need to be cleaned up, and always with this messy couch. I still have, I took off all of these covers to wash all these pillowcases like a week ago, and I still have not put them on, so we're gonna do that today. We've got plates here from breakfast, and just, it's time to tidy up. Also want to do some stuff in my bedroom as well. My boyfriend is still in there sleeping right now. He works crazy weird hours, but he's still in there sleeping right now, so I can't show you guys that, but we will get to that today as well. So without further ado, let's just get going. Okay guys, so we are going to get started in the kitchen, which is where I typically like to start. And basically I'm just going to be cleaning off the countertops. I like to try to get like all of the dishes into the sink, have them all contained, and then that way I can unload the dishwasher, have clean countertops, and then reload it. And that way I'm also not mixing the dirty dishes with the clean dishes and what have you. So that's kind of my process. And I typically do like to start with the kitchen because I really feel like once I get the kitchen done, then everything else seems so much easier, because the kitchen always seems like the biggest task to me. Say my name or say it twice. Shed this layer of overthinking. Oh, I don't wanna be less than I can be. What if falls wash me? The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water, wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. What if falls wash me and cleanse me? The wicked drowning water, let go, wicked water, wicked drowning water. Let's go on the longest journey far away. See elephants out in the wild. Forget every word we've ever known. Sunrise, sunset, hopes and dreams and regret. Now it's all the same. Call me out from my shadows. So on this rainy day, I did some activities with Holden, and then I thought, like, I'm just gonna be spending the rest of the day cleaning. It's been so rainy and so yucky. What kind of weather are you guys having where you're from? I am from Canada, and I am in the Prairie provinces in Canada, so I'm really not having very much nice weather so far, and I'm really hoping we're going to get a nice summer. It's been kind of rainy, and we've had a few really nice days, but not enough, and I'm just not feeling like it's summer. And I guess technically it's still spring, but I really wish that we had some warmer weather. It took me forever to get our deck all set up and everything, and I do have a video coming on my backyard transformation that should be coming probably next week sometime. So yeah, that's going to be coming out, but it took me forever to get our backyard and our deck completely like perfect, exactly how I wanted, and now I feel like I can't even enjoy it because we're not having enough nice days.
Some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in
Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and soak this pan for a little while. They had a ton of stuff like stuck to it, so I wanted to get that filled with hot soapy water and get that soaking for a bit. I'll come back to it later and wash it. But right now I'm just going ahead and putting all of our medications and vitamins into these little pill organizers because my boyfriend and I are both terrible for remembering to take our pills correctly, especially me with my prenatal vitamins. I had noticed, especially in the first trimester, that my prenatal vitamins were making me sick. So I started taking them in the evening, hoping that, okay, I'll take it right before bed, and then by the time it kicks in, I'll be asleep. So if I start to feel like nauseous, I'll just sleep right through it. But then half the time I would forget because I'm supposed to be taking it at night, and normally, you wake up in the morning, you're having your coffee or whatever, and you take your pills and, whatever. So we got ourselves these little organizers so that way we can at least remember whether or not we took them, and if we had to check if we thought we had taken them but we hadn't. So I definitely recommend those if you guys are just like us and you don't know if you're taking your pills correctly or not.
When we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how. Not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how. 'Cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home.
Moving on into the living room, I'm going to start off by cleaning off the couch. I'm just going to fold all these blankets and get them put away and just kind of pick up around here. And then I'm going to put those pillowcases back on because, like I said, it had been like a week and I had washed them, and I hate putting pillowcases back on. Even like when I wash the bedding, I hate that. So I always put it off for as long as possible. But I was like, okay, I would like my living room to actually look nice now, so I should probably get my pillowcases back on.
Guess I never really had the chance to speak my mind. Never thought you would hear it. Oh, and if you run, baby, I will follow every time. I show you what I'm feeling. You got me going, can't control. Fingers crossed you take me home. So play me all night, hold me tight, keep me in the spotlight. Show me what it's all about. Just take the shot, morning's getting closer. I'm waiting on you to tell me it will be alright. Closer now, think it's time we try this out. What are you waiting for? So keep me moving to the beat of the night till the lights go out. Oh, and if you want, baby, I could be the only one. Make up your mind. I know you want it, I know you need it. Come on, show me anything. You got me running, can you feel it? If you let me, I'll show you what it means. I know you want it, I know you need it. Come on, show me. You got me going, can't control. Fingers crossed you take me home. So play me all night, hold me tight, keep me in the spotlight. Show me what it's all about. Just take the shot, morning's getting closer. I'm waiting on you to tell me it will be alright.
Do you guys love seeing people vacuum as much as I do? I find it so therapeutic and it's so satisfying to watch. Like when you just watch the lines going across the carpet, it's just one of those things that I absolutely love. Do you guys love that too, or am I just weird?
It will be alright. Closer now, think it's time we try this out. What are you waiting for? Think it's time we try this out. What are you waiting for? Just take the shots, think it's time we try this out. What are you waiting for? Hello, hello, do you remember me? I'm the one that broke your heart. I'm here if you still want me. And we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone.
Okay, now we're heading back into the kitchen and dining area, and I'm going to be getting ready to do the floors here. So I'm just picking up, I had a couple of towels on the floor, and I'm going to vacuum first, and then I will move over onto the dining area and just kind of clear off the table before I get into the mopping.
I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now.
What do you guys use to mop your floors? I have my steam mop here and I absolutely love it, but sometimes I do miss just like the simplicity of just having like one of those wet cloths on your Swiffer that you just attach to your Swiffer and just go. I find that that is so easy, and I mopped a lot more when I had that, but I like the fact that this just uses steam and it's probably a lot healthier. So I don't know, what do you guys use to mop, and is there something that's easier to do than just this? Because having to plug it in and fill it up with water and then empty it afterwards, it can just be kind of like a big chore. So I find that I don't do it as often as I used to when I just had the Swiffer. But then I don't want all the chemicals of the Swiffer. It's a catch-22.
Out of a magazine, I crossed my fingers you'd come to me. Then all of a sudden it became reality.
Okay guys, so here's a little bonus room for you. I decided to get some work done in Holden's room because all of a sudden I walked past it and I was like, oh wow, this room is a bomb. So before I head into the master bedroom, I'm going to do a quick tidy of Holden's room. And funny thing is, every night I sit in this chair with him and read him stories, and we just of course pull them off of his little bookshelf, which is right beside there. And instead, like, this is just the dumbest thing. I'm just so lazy. Instead of just putting the books back as I use them, I just set them on the floor. So then we end up going through like all of the books over the week, and he just has this huge pile of books on the floor, and it's insane. And then I have to put them all back at once. Why I don't just put them back as I go? Well, I mean, lazy, to be honest.
You gave me a purpose, now I'm on my feet. I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. It's all that I need. All I need is your loving. All I need is your loving.
All right, you guys, we are in the home stretch of the cleaning video. Let me know in the comments down below what you have managed to clean while watching my video, or if you just sat down and watched the video, what are you going to clean when you get up after the video is over. We are in the master bedroom. Not a whole lot that needs to be done in here. I need to make the bed. My boyfriend is up now, so I'm making the bed, and then I just have some quick tidying up to do. We always have clothes on our floor. We are horrible for just like taking out clothes and just setting them on the floor. So I always have clothes to pick up in here, and I think I have some laundry to put away as well. But for the most part, it's not too bad in this room.
I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this.
Okay, you guys, thank you so very much for hanging out with me today. I hope I was able to give you some cleaning inspiration. Get up off your butt, get something done around your house. You're gonna feel a lot better about yourself if you do. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.